Fishy friends, welcome on another Fishy Friday here at Bart's Fish Tales, and today is gonna be time for a Japanese classic one. It's light, it's crispy, maybe for lunch, as a snack or a starter. It's gonna be a prawn tempura. Okay, so oil is there. We prep the oil, vegetable oil, 180 degrees Celsius to deep fry. To serve with the tempura and the prawns, I make you a sauce. And it's so easy. It's like 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin. Mirin is the sweet Japanese wine. Delicious. Good. Then we have 3 tablespoons of sake. I give it like half to maybe 1 centimeter of freshly grated ginger. Add it into the sauce. Superb. Then we go for the tempura batter. There's so many different variations. I've got my tempura my way, which is good. Important thing is we use water. Make sure that the water you're using is ice and ice cold. But first we start with 1 egg. Then I've got around 200 grams of plain flour. And when I've just added a bit of the flour, I already give it like a little whisk, all the flour, and then the water. And important with the tempura is you don't over whisk it. So this is the batter. This is the secret making a good tempura. So now we have got the prawns here. I've got them deveined, I've got them peeled, except the last piece, the tail side. Add a bit of flour, because then the batter will stick more easily to the prawn. Here we go, guys. 180 degrees. So the color of the batter is a bit whitish, but bit yellow. And I give the prawns a few minutes, maybe 3, until they get like a bit brownish, a bit golden brown. Okay, then important, we're going to drain the prawns on a piece of kitchen paper. Makes them even more crispy. Beautiful, typically Japanese plate. Well guys, it's going perfect. You see the batter a bit bumpy, this is what we want. It will get a bit darker, but not much darker than this. Okay, take them out. Drain them on some kitchen paper. And while it gets drained, it's time for my next round. First round. Look at this, guys. Prawn tempura. Important is that your oil is hot, on the right temperature, 180 degrees Celsius, that your water in the batter is really cold, and then nothing can go wrong. Wow, that crispiness of the batter, this tempura, and then the juiciness of the prawn, and the saltiness and the sweetness of the sauce, and that kick of the ginger. It's amazing. It's perfect as a snack, as a starter, well, whatever. If you have any comments, any questions, please leave them down in the box below. If you want to see more delicious seafood recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.